Somebody. You should feel ashamed of yourself. Oh my God.
So this would be a personal copy. I won't put this out. Unless you want me to.
No.
Alright.
Wait.
Manny!
No, yeah, no.
Alright, cool.
I can't do that. I'll say something.
Let's see, what can you talk about? I want you to talk about your favorite movie. So just say your name first once it starts, and then, or your favorite genre or something that you can remember. Because remember, this is just going to be your personal copy. I won't put this out. So it's just something that you can remember this day. Ready? Sure? Take as much time as you need.
Okay, yeah.
Or one of your favorite.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. All right. Ready?
My name is Kayla, and my favorite movie is Ferngully because it's a classic and has a really positive message. And the soundtrack is one of the best things I've ever heard in my life. And Krista was my first crush. Yeah.
Yo, I forgot about Fern Gully.